Have you ever wondered about the marvels of modern engineering? Today, we delve into one such marvel, the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, fondly known as the MTHL Bridge. This impressive structure is not just a bridge, but a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Nestled in the heart of India, it connects the bustling city of Mumbai to the burgeoning metropolis of Navi Mumbai. Now you might ask, why was such a bridge needed? Well, as the region grew, so did the need for efficient and effective transportation. The MTHL bridge was envisioned as a solution to this growing demand, promising to revolutionize transportation in one of India's busiest regions. Imagine the potential impact of this bridge: quicker commutes, increased connectivity, and a much-needed boost to local economies. It's a game changer, a lifeline for millions. So, how did the engineers bring this concept to life? Let's move on to the design phase. Designing a bridge is no small feat, especially one as large and significant as the MTHL. When the vision of the MTHL bridge was conceived, it was clear that this was going to be a project of monumental proportions. The bridge, spanning over the Mumbai Harbour, was not just about creating a structure. It was about defying limits, overcoming challenges, and setting new benchmarks in engineering. The initial challenge was to design a bridge that could withstand the harsh coastal weather and the seismic activities in the region. To ensure stability, the engineers incorporated the principles of structural dynamics, designing the bridge to be flexible yet strong. The bridge was designed with expansion joints to accommodate temperature changes and seismic buffers to absorb shocks from potential earthquakes. The MTHL bridge is not just an engineering marvel, but also a testament to innovative design. The bridge features a 6-lane highway, including 2 emergency exit lanes, making it one of the widest sea bridges in the country. To reduce the environmental impact, the design also incorporated noise barriers and the use of energy-efficient LED lights. The design also had to account for the heavy traffic that the bridge was expected to handle. Using traffic flow theory, the engineers designed the bridge to enable smooth flow of traffic, reducing congestion and travel time between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. Creating a design that was aesthetically pleasing while being functional was another important aspect. The designers drew inspiration from the natural beauty of the Mumbai Harbour, creating a design that seamlessly blended with the surrounding landscape. The result is a bridge that is not just a structure, but a landmark, a symbol of progress. The design process was a complex interplay of science, art, and innovation. It required the coming together of diverse minds, from architects to civil engineers, environmentalists to urban planners, each bringing their unique perspective to the table. Each challenge faced was an opportunity for innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in bridge design. With the design in place, it was time for the real work to begin, the construction. Construction is where the design takes physical form. It's where the rubber meets the road, or in this case, the steel meets the water. The construction of the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, or MTHL Bridge, was a monumental task, one that required not just exceptional engineering prowess, but also an unwavering commitment to the vision of a connected India. The project, which was initiated in the early 2010s, involved a massive workforce, including some of the brightest minds in engineering, architecture, and project management. The construction process began with the careful selection of materials. High-grade steel and concrete formed the backbone of the bridge, providing the strength needed to withstand the forces of nature. These materials were chosen for their durability and resilience, essential qualities for a structure that would serve millions of commuters every year. The sheer scale of the project was staggering. Spanning over 22 kilometers, the MTHL bridge is one of the longest sea bridges in India. To put that into perspective, that's about the length of 220 football fields laid end to end. This was not just a bridge, it was a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. But the journey was not without its challenges. The construction team faced numerous hurdles, from logistical issues to unpredictable weather conditions. There were times when the sea's relentless waves seemed to challenge the audacity of the project. But with every challenge, the team found a way to adapt and overcome, proving that nothing is insurmountable when we dare to dream big. Involving thousands of people, the construction of the MTHL bridge was a collective effort, a symphony of coordination and collaboration. It was a testament to the power of teamwork and the indomitable spirit of human endeavor. And after years of relentless hard work, countless calculations, and innumerable cups of chai, the bridge was finally ready. It stood there, a gleaming symbol of progress, ready to serve its purpose, ready to connect communities, ready to shape the future of transportation in India. Finally, after years of hard work, the bridge was ready for inauguration. The inauguration of the MTHL bridge marked the end of an era of construction and the beginning of a new era of connectivity. This day was a testament to the power of human ingenuity and perseverance, a day when the impossible became possible. This grand event was graced by key figures from the realms of politics, engineering, and business, all gathered to witness the culmination of years of hard work and determination. The atmosphere was electric, the air filled with anticipation and excitement. The public, too, turned out in droves, their faces reflecting a mix of awe and pride as they beheld the architectural wonder stretching across the horizon. The MTHL bridge, a symbol of progress and connectivity, had finally come to life, forever changing the skyline of Mumbai. As the ribbon was cut, a wave of applause and cheers echoed across the landscape, marking the official opening of the bridge. The first vehicles to cross were a convoy of brightly decorated trucks, their horns blaring in a triumphant symphony. This was followed by a procession of cars, motorcycles, and buses, each one a part of this historic journey. The excitement was palpable, not just among those present at the inauguration, but also among millions watching the event unfold from their homes. Social media was abuzz with updates, photos, and videos as people from all walks of life shared their joy and excitement. In the midst of all this, one could not help but marvel at the sheer magnitude of the project. The MTHL bridge, a testament to human ingenuity, was more than just a structure of steel and concrete. It was a promise of reduced travel time, a boost to trade and commerce, and a beacon of hope for a more connected future. And thus, the MTHL bridge was officially open for use. But what does this mean for the region? The MTHL bridge is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's a crucial part of the region's infrastructure. Let's delve into the vast implications this bridge has for the region and beyond. Most obviously, it revolutionizes transportation. Spanning across the Mumbai Bay, it provides a direct route between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. This drastically cuts down travel time from over 90 minutes to a mere 30. Think about the daily commuters, the office goers, the truck drivers, all benefiting from hours saved each week. But the impact extends beyond just transportation. It's a significant boost for trade as well. The bridge links two major economic hubs, making the movement of goods more efficient. It's a conduit for commerce, fostering economic activity and growth. Moreover, it brings together communities that were once separated by the vast expanse of the bay. It's not just a physical link, but a social one too, fostering stronger connections between the people of Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. The bridge also paves the way for the development of the Navi Mumbai International Airport. With improved connectivity, the airport is set to become a major player in the aviation industry, further boosting the region's economy. Now imagine the ripple effects of these benefits. Time saved translates into increased productivity. Improved trade can lead to job creation. Better connectivity can result in cultural exchange, and so on. The possibilities are endless. In essence, the MTHL bridge is not just a structure of steel and concrete, it's a catalyst for change, a beacon of progress. It's a symbol of how engineering can transform landscapes, economies, and lives. And while it's easy to be awed by the scale and grandeur of the MTHL bridge, let's not forget the purpose it serves. It's a testament to how human ingenuity can overcome challenges and create solutions that change the world. The MTHL bridge stands as a testament to human ingenuity, transforming the way people live, work, and connect. The MTHL bridge is a marvel of modern engineering, a symbol of progress, and a gateway to new opportunities. We've journeyed together through the intricate design and construction process of this iconic structure that now proudly connects Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. imprinted in its concrete and steel, is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. This bridge, a stunning feat, is not just a physical connection but a symbol of unity, bridging communities, fostering growth, and paving the way for a brighter future. Today, we've not only celebrated the inauguration of an engineering marvel, but also acknowledged the significant impact it has on transportation and the region's socio-economic landscape. As we wrap up, let's remember that the Mthl Bridge is more than just a structure. It's a testament to human potential and the power of collaboration. Next time you cross a bridge, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of engineering beneath your feet.